Rodger, thank you for a really wonderful talk today on Congregational Youth Ministry at our Youth Ministry Now lecture series. One of the points you made really early in our conversation was about the concept of groupness, what it takes for groupness to form. Could you share some of that with us?
Yeah, well, thank you. Thank you, Skip. It's been an honor and pleasure to be here always. So part of what I drew upon was a series of texts and some research about what it means when a group of people form into a group. And by and large, we're discovering that sort of three qualities emerge when people say that they are a part of a group. The first one is that people in that group share common rituals and norms. That means everything from everyone seems to sort of know who does what and what roles that they play, to the kinds of rituals, how we start our group life together, how we close our group life together, and there's a common understanding of what those things are, rituals and norms. The second thing is there's a common understanding of history and purpose, that we have been together long enough that we share some stories together, and that we have a common sense of what we're supposed to be doing here. So if I were to ask any individual young person within the group, why are you doing this? They wouldn't say the exact same thing, but they would have some kind of common language that would tell me that they have a shared sense of purpose. And the final thing is, groupness is defined as the ability of persons to sustain this groupness, rituals and norms, common sense of history and purpose, through even what they call dialectical challenges. These are these challenges when a group faces some kind of an obstacle and they work their way through it. It pulls upon that great dialectic, the philosophical dialectic given to us by the German philosopher Hegel, who talks about a thesis and an antithesis and a synthesis. The movement, when you face something that's antithetical, you move through it to a synthesis, a new way of being. Those three things seem to define what groupness means.